he said, I had seen the product work and I knew the kind of margins they had. Buffett said in 2018, I didn't know enough about technology to know whether this was really one that would stop the competitive race.
So yeah, one of the things that's interesting is Google spends about $100 billion on CapEx every year, and they do it out of profit. So they do it out of their net. So they can comfortably spend they can comfortably outspend Anthropic or OpenAI and do it just with the loose pocket change that's in their pockets. And that's where this is going to be different. They have the data, they have the money, they don't need to go raise investments to do it. They can, and that's where I think people like XAI are slightly different. People like Google are slightly different because XAI has the revenue from Twitter. They, people who are driving from real revenue already have the lead here. And I think that's what we're seeing with Berkshire Hathaway is them saying, look, this is an obvious no-brainer that Google's going to win this one.
Yeah. I thought it was a really interesting purchase. Obviously, it's still a tiny investment compared, but I do think that this could be, I think his name is Greg Abel. I do think it would be, it would be the most comfortable AI technology investment to make of them all. And I'm excited to see where he takes Berkshire.
Well, and so there's a couple of things because we talked last week, that Google and Apple now have a partnership, right, for a $1 billion partnership. And again, the data is worth way more than the money to Google on that one. Yeah. And locking in their continued partnership, right? Google's already paying $20 billion a year for the search rights to be the default search on Apple. And that's originally what was going to get them in hot water. But, the ruling this year came over with just a slap on the hand. And so this is where this is clearly Berkshire saying they're picking the winner. They're not investing in OpenAI. They're not investing in Anthropic. They're not investing in any of these other little guys. They're like, look, the winner on this one's going to be pretty clear.
Yeah. I think Google is definitely going to be a player regardless. So funny enough, I was actually just trying to open an X link and I thought it was my computer, but it looks like X is down.
Are they?
Yeah.
So Cloudflare has been bumpy all night.
This is I'm getting a Cloudflare.
So this is actually Cloudflare being bumpy. That's interesting because I'm up. Nope, except my feed's all down. So it does look like X is being affected by Cloudflare somewhere is my guess.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so Cloudflare is having some bumps. I noticed that some of my team last night was reporting that Cloudflare is down, so some of our links may not work this morning.
If you like this clip, make sure you check out the full Startup Hack Live video here because we've got lots more for you today.